Okay.
Watch his head.
And hold it.
Oh.
Okay.
They talked off the back.
That's not bad.
I was doing that in high school.
Yeah.
Tap it off the backboard.
Oh! He threw it to himself. He double-checked it. Double-checked it. Double-checked it.
Terrence Stansberry, a 49, 45, and a 50, and Drexler probably in danger of being eliminated, 46.
Oh, I love it. He went straight to the basket just like he was floating on air. He goes in straight, goes up in the air. Now he's sideways. Look at the air. Look at the hang time. Look at the flying motion.
Look at his head above the rim.
Between the legs. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Good night. Good night, sweetheart.
I think he just went back to back.
Yeah.
That's it. Well deserved.
Not much, though.
From high above the rim. High above the rim.
Well out in front. I think that's the key, as well as the height, how far out in front he caught it when he's able to hammer it home. And again, he makes it look like it's routine, but watch, look how far away he is.